Welcome to the Sage 50 Cloud Pastel Accounting how-to video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to download your fixed data after you have sent it in for a Datafix from the customer portal. Firstly, navigate to your web browser and enter the address portal.sage.co.za/accounting. This customer portal will open. You will then need to enter your customer number and password. If you do not know your customer number, open your Sage 50 Cloud Pastel Accounting software and click on Help and About, and you will be able to see your customer number. Please note that for this demonstration, the customer number used is not valid. Once you have entered the customer number, enter your password. If you do not remember your password, you can click on the Create Reset Password, and this will send an email to the registered email address. If extra security has been added by the administration of the account, which would normally occur in a multi-user setting, you will again need to enter your user and enter your password accordingly. Once you have signed in, you will be asked to select your serial number. The customer portal will then open. Click on Support and Data Management and select Datafix. If you are advised to click here if you are not automatically redirected to the Datafix system, please do so. Once you have clicked, the Datafix system will open and you will need to select the reference number that you were given. You will then be able to see the company under Download Files, files that have already been fixed. You will know that this is ready because you will receive an email from our Datafix team advising that the fixed file has been uploaded. You will then click on the Download option and this will download the company file. I am using Chrome and therefore the company is being downloaded to my Downloads folder. Once it is completely downloaded, you can close your web browser and you will then navigate to where you downloaded the fixed company file. We strongly advise that you copy this file into the Pastel or Express folder on the server machine. If you are a single user, this would be in the Pastel or Express folder on your machine, and that name will be followed by the version. So if you are running Sage 50 Cloud Pastel Accounting version 18 Express, it will be Express 18, and if you are running Sage 50 Cloud Pastel Accounting Partner version 19, it will be called Pastel 19. Copy the backup into the folder and you will see your backup showing accordingly. I then strongly advise that you go and find the company folder, for example 2022 New Zero, and remove this yellow folder completely as that is the corrupted data. You will then right click on the backup file and depending on whether you are using WinZip or 7-zip, you will need to extract the files. Please make sure that you remove the date and timestamp. Once you have done this, it will create a brand new yellow folder, and in this way you can make sure that this is the fixed data that we have fixed. Alternatively, you can also choose to delete the company folder, and from within your Sage 50 Cloud Pastel Accounting version 19, you can click on File and select New, and select the option Create from a Backup. You would then select that specific company backup folder to make a company folder of, and it will give you the new company name, and you can select Create. Depending on the size of your data, depends on how long it will take for the company folder to be created from the backup. Once it is done, click on Close and you can log in as per normal to check that the data has in fact been fixed.